Started with DPC in 1997. From MBD. Okay? MBD, that's Makati Business Directory, a small group. Then to Premise. A small Premise.
Who got you sa premise? Who got you sa premise?
Jenny. Tapos, DPSM to ASM. Guys, for those who are leaving, always remember na it was like after DPC. Okay? May like, sabi nga ni Penny, mas maganda outside. Nasa comfort zone tayo. And I'm sure you have your small amount of money for you to use during your... I have small amount of money na I can use. Guys, for those who are staying, like what I mentioned to Jordan, no? Just prove yourself, okay? Si Jordan na nila sa akin, okay? Kung hindi kayo pansinin nyo ang isa't isa. Kung may hindi gusto sa inyo, gustuhin nyo. Okay? It's not more or less like ability, kaya naman yan, may criteria naman daw ang pagpili sa atin. Daw. But initially, it was like ability. Okay? So guys, magtrabaho lang tayo. We have I think mga 54 million revenues. So guys, good luck. Don't stay. Okay? Pansinin nyo na lang siya kahit hindi kayo pinapansin.
Hoy, Claire! Claire!
Bagay na!
Volume! Claire!
Ang pinaka-look forward. Natatagay na ako sa
Ingay, ingay!
Whether you're in or out, there's life outside. There's life inside. It's up to us whether we're in or out, how to... Sabi nga ng boss ko, we all have a choice. We all had a choice. So whether you're in or out, just gawin nyo ng magaling. Yun yun! Isa nga, sige, wala akong tanduay ngayon.
Alright. Boy. Shut the fuck! Sorry. Alright. Oy. Then guys, we started kami ni Claire as batchmates. 1996. So, and we made actually a pact. We started mga siguro mga 24 in our batch. June batch yun. And yung buong batch na yun, yung 24 na yun, na regular yun. Because we help each other. Actually, to the point na nagbigayan kami ng benta. Ito, nagbigay ko. Tapos, sabi ko, hindi ko na kailangan ng benta, hindi ako umabot ng TIP. But anyway, okay yun. Di ba? So it's about friendship. BBC, camaraderie, and I stayed here for 17 years because of that. Because of friendship. So, and I'm happy because I'm leaving with my batchmate. Kasi yun yung usapan namin talaga. Walang iwanan. So, nung nalaman ko na she's going, gusto ko nang umalis. Itong story.
Parang di naman.
Apparently, meron siyang kabinet. At best friend ko. Okay. Anyway.
Nice tea. Boss, parang hindi.
Because of that. Anyway,
Nice tea, nice tea.
it's a blessing in disguise. Kasi, yun nga, kasabay ko aalis yung batchmate ko. And kasabay ko yung mga friends ko na aalis. And of course, naiiwan naman yung mga friends ko rito. But of course, it's hard kasi na, yun nga, yung aalis yung mga friends mo, diba? So at least, hindi ako part nun kasi ilang beses na ako. Yung sa batch ko ng 24, marami na rin umalis na masakit din for me. And I do understand where you're coming from. I do understand. But carry on, move forward. So umpisa lang yan. Then afterwards, it's at the end of the day, trabaho lang yan. Hindi yan yung buong buhay nyo. Ang buhay nyo is yung friends nyo. Alright? Okay?